Your wood, your vision, protected and perfected by Technopaint. Introducing the Elvolac Exterior Wood Range, high-performance protection, designed for the harshest outdoor conditions. Elvo Wood Guard 2-in-1, a sealer and primer in one powerful formula. Penetrates deep, shields against UV rays, water, and mold, preserving the natural beauty of your wood, season after season. ProCare, tough on weather, gentle on wood. This durable top coat delivers long-lasting color retention with a satin finish, ideal for windows, doors, and trim. Formulated for a flexibility. It won't crack, peel, or flake. Techno Seal Decking All. Deep nourishment, natural finish, enriches and protects exterior decks with advanced water repellent technology, slip resistant, fade resistant, built for the beauty and wear of real life. HydraGuard, water-based, whirring-free. A water-based modified acrylic coating offering durable protection. Perfect for fences, cladding, and outdoor furniture. HydraGuard keeps wood looking new, year after. The elements don't stand a chance. With Technopaint Elvolac, your exterior wood is ready for anything. Technopaint Elvolac, crafted to endure.